Hey there, fellow money savers. It's Green Waifu, your gal for all things personal finance. Today, I want to share with you an amazing money-saving method inspired by Asian cultures. It's a practical approach that can help you reach your financial goals. So, let's jump right in and discover the Asian method to saving money. In many Asian cultures, there's a strong emphasis on frugality and saving. They understand the value of money and how it can shape your future. So, the first step is to change our mindset and view money as a tool for creating a secure and fulfilling life. Let's get in the right mindset and start saving. One key aspect of this method is budgeting. It helps you understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. Let me break it down for you and show you how budgeting can make a real difference in your savings. First, start by tracking your income. Take note of all the money you receive, whether it's from a part-time job, an allowance, or any other source. Add up these numbers to get your total monthly income. Knowing how much money you have to work with is a crucial starting point. Next, let's move on to expenses. This is where you track how you spend your hard-earned money. Start by listing your regular expenses, such as rent, utilities, transportation, and groceries. Be thorough and include all your monthly bills. Then, consider your discretionary expenses, like eating out, entertainment, shopping, and any other non-essential spending. Now comes the fun part. Setting financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve with your money. It could be saving for a dream vacation, buying a car, or building an emergency fund. Set specific goals and assign a dollar amount to each one. By creating a budget and assigning specific amounts to your goals, you gain clarity and control over your money. It helps you make smarter choices because you're aware of how each dollar is being used. If you see that you're spending too much on non-essential items, you can adjust and find ways to cut back, directing more money toward your goals. To make budgeting easier, you can use various tools and resources. Budgeting apps can automatically track your income and expenses, categorize your spending, and provide helpful insights. They can even send you notifications when you're approaching your spending limits. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, a simple spreadsheet can do the trick. Create columns for income, expenses, and goals, and update it regularly with your latest numbers. You can even color-code different categories to make it visually appealing. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and review. Regularly track your spending, adjust your budget as needed, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you find that you've overspent in one category, don't beat yourself up. Use it as a learning opportunity to make better choices moving forward. By budgeting and sticking to your plan, you can save significant amounts of money. Another important aspect is being a savvy shopper. Asian cultures know the power of finding the best deals. First and foremost, keep your eyes peeled for discounts. Whether you're shopping online or in store, look for sales, promotions, and clearance items. Retailers often offer discounts on seasonal items, holidays, or special occasions. It's like discovering hidden gems at unbeatable prices. Comparison shopping is another valuable technique. Before making a purchase, take the time to compare prices from different sellers or websites. Don't settle for the first option you find. By exploring different options, you can snag the best deal and save money. It's like being a detective, searching for the perfect bargain. Coupons are your secret weapon in the world of savings. Keep an eye out for coupons in newspapers, magazines, or online platforms. You can find them for groceries, restaurants, clothing stores, and more. Clip those coupons and watch your savings grow. It's like having a magical spell that instantly reduces prices. When it comes to grocery shopping, buying in bulk can be a game changer. Look for warehouse clubs or bulk stores where you can get larger quantities at lower prices. Stock up on essentials that have a long shelf life, like rice, pasta, canned goods, or toiletries. Planning your meals ahead of time is also key. It helps you make a shopping list and avoid impulse purchases. It's like being a master chef, organizing your ingredients and creating delicious meals while saving money. Being a smart shopper doesn't mean depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about making informed choices and finding ways to save without sacrificing quality or satisfaction. By implementing these savvy shopping strategies, you can stretch your dollars further and still indulge in the things that bring you joy. Let's not forget the value of sharing and community. In Asian cultures, there's a deep-rooted belief in the value of supporting one another. We understand that by sharing resources, we can all benefit and thrive together. So, let's explore some ways you can embrace the spirit of sharing and experience the magic of community. Firstly, when it comes to fashion, why not organize a clothing swap party with your friends? Everyone can bring gently used clothes they no longer wear or need, and you can trade items with each other. It's like having a personal shopping spree without spending a dime. Not only will you score some stylish new additions to your wardrobe, but you'll also declutter your closet and give a second life to those clothes. Plus, it's a fun and social event that strengthens your bond with friends. Let's not forget about the digital realm. Many of us enjoy streaming movies, TV shows, or music. Instead of each person subscribing to multiple streaming services, why not share streaming accounts with friends or family members? This way, you can split the costs and have access to a variety of content without breaking the bank. It's like having a virtual entertainment hub that everyone can enjoy. Plus, it creates an opportunity for shared movie nights or music discovery sessions, strengthening your bonds and creating lasting memories. By embracing the sharing economy, not only can you save money, but you also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. When you share resources, you reduce waste and environmental impact. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. Now, let's talk about patience and delayed gratification. It's about resisting the urge to make impulsive purchases and waiting for the right moment. In the fast-paced world we live in, it's easy to get caught up in impulsive buying and instant gratification. But the key to financial success lies in the power of patience. Let's explore how embracing patience and delayed gratification can transform your financial journey. When you see something you desire, whether it's a trendy gadget, a fashionable item, or a spontaneous weekend getaway, take a step back and ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Practice the art of waiting. Give yourself time to consider the purchase and evaluate its true importance in your life. By delaying immediate gratification, you allow yourself the opportunity to make more thoughtful and informed decisions. By practicing delayed gratification, you build discipline, strengthen your financial resilience, and cultivate a healthier relationship with money. You learn to distinguish between your needs and wants, making wiser spending decisions. The sense of accomplishment and fulfillment you experience when you finally achieve your savings goals is priceless. Education and long-term planning are also crucial. Asian cultures value education and investing in knowledge. Take the time to learn about personal finance and investing. Plan for the long term by setting up a retirement account or exploring investment opportunities. By gaining knowledge and thinking ahead, you'll set yourself up for financial success in the future. So, there you have it, the Asian method to saving money. It's all about changing our mindset, budgeting wisely, being a savvy shopper, embracing community, practicing patience, and planning for the future. With these simple yet powerful strategies, you can take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Remember, we're all on this journey together, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Keep saving, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye everyone.